Siyahamba kukanyeni kwenkos. Siyahamba kukanyeni kwenkos. Siyahamba, hamba siyahamba, hamba siyahamba kukanyeni kwenkos. Siyahamba, hamba siyahamba, hamba siyahamba kukanyeni kwenkos. We are marching in the light of God. 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 We are marching, marching, we are marching, marching, we are marching in the light of God. We are marching, marching, we are marching, marching, we are marching in the light of God.
Well, we are Sounds of Grace, and we like singing to an audience. And if not, we like singing anyway. So, here we are. Yeah, we have that people. Alan together.
Shall we gather at the river, where bright angels' feet have trod, with its crystal tide forever flowing by the throne of God? Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. On the margin of the river, washing up its silver spray, we will walk and worship ever on a happy golden day. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. As we reach the shining river, lay we every burden down. Grace our spirits will deliver and provide a robe and crown. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river. Gather with the saints at the river that flows by the throne of God. Soon we'll reach the shining river, soon our pilgrimage will cease. Soon our happy hearts will quiver with the melody of peace. Yes, we'll gather at the river, the beautiful river.